If you have the Nissan Rogue, the second generation 2014-2020, you may wonder how you turn on or turn off the passenger airbag. So the airbags in this side of the car, because now you see that the passenger airbag is off, and you're worrying about the passenger who is about to sit in your seat in your car, and you want them to be safe, and you want the front airbag to work. So in this car there is no switch for the airbags, and the airbags are automatic. They rely on the weight sensors in the seat, and when someone sits in the seat, if this is the passenger of the adult weight, the passenger airbag will turn on automatically. So look, I'm now sitting in the passenger seat, and as you see, the passenger airbag off light went off. So now the passenger airbag is on. And if I just go out of the car, let's look, I'm now out of the seat, the sensors will feel it, and in several seconds you will see this passenger airbag off light. So it's automatic, you don't need to turn it on or off on your own.